In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Roblox card from your mobile device or tablet. It also works if you're on a PC. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is the following. You're going to go to the link that I'm going to leave down here in the description, which will take you to the official Roblox website. But be careful with this, you have to click on the link that I'm leaving in the description of this video for it to work. Okay, so, once you click on the link that I'm leaving in the description, you're going to log in with your username, okay? With your email and password on the official Roblox website. Okay, I'm going to click where it says send me a single-use code because honestly, I don't have my account set up with Google. Okay, once you've entered your single-use code, your Roblox account will automatically log in. And as you can see here, it automatically gives you the option to redeem your Roblox card. As you can see here, where it says code, that's where you're going to put the code for the card that you have to have in physical form. Okay, put the code. I'm going to put a code. I'm not saying it's the code, but it's just any code. Okay. So, you're going to click where it says redeem here and this will automatically be redeemed into your Roblox account balance. Okay, it's that easy and simple. Okay, just go to the link, as you can see, which is down there in the description. Like I told you, put your Roblox account and then you're going to put the code here for the Roblox card and that's it. That would be it, friends. It's not complicated or difficult at all. Yeah.